Today we are continuing with our AI builder models inside Power Apps, and we are looking at language detection. There are models online that we can easily put a particular language there to be able to detect whether it's an English language or it is a Hebrew or it is a Twi language and so on. Here we are looking at how you can do that inside your app, and the AI builder models and Azure services also help us to accomplish this. So to do this, for instance, I have welcome here, and then I see that the resource is EN, which is English. In the Microsoft support services, we have the language support. They are listed here. We have Catalan, CA, Chinese, and we have the short version or the abbreviation Czech. We have English, which is EN, and etc. etc. So, for instance, I have a Finnish language. If I want to be able to detect what it is, I want to copy and put it inside the app to know whether it will be able to detect it. So let me paste the language here, and it gives us FI. So when we check the language support, you see that FI is Finnish. That is spoken by the Finland. So this is how it works to be able to detect. To be able to do that, I put a text box here and also have a label. Inside the text box, there's no formula to it, but this is where we paste what you want to detect, or the language that you want to detect the text inside. Then in your app, where we have the data source, if you haven't already done, you can just check language detection, and because it's one of the AI models, I have already done that. And so when I come to my existing models, and I look at my existing models, I see that I have language detection. Now, if you haven't done that already, this is where you come to add model, then you search for the AI models, and you should see on one of them, the English, the language detection here. You click on it, and then it will be part of your app. After that, when we come to this label, we have this PowerFS here, and we have language detection dot predict. So language detection is the name of the model that you brought into your app dot predict, and then you insert the text box where you want to paste exactly the language that has to be detected, and then dot language. Okay, so this is as simple as that. With this, you are done. So I put that inside the label, and whenever I'm able to give another language, so for instance, let me search for another language, let's say Chinese. Okay, so I have this Chinese test here. Let me copy, go to Power Apps, and then insert it. Okay, so it gives me ZHCHS. When you come to the language support, and I want to check the meaning of that, ZH. I'm seeing various from ZH is Hans, ZH is Hans, that is the Chinese traditional. Then we have other versions. I'm not seeing exactly the ZHCHS. Maybe this language model here might have been updated, or maybe it's similar to one of these, but because I'm not exactly Chinese and I don't know much about the Chinese language. But the good point is that it's able to detect the kind of language that has been put inside the power apps. Thank you very much. I hope this was very useful to you. And then check out the other videos with AI Builder and then Power Apps. Thank you.